Welcome to SV Technologies FASTag service. In this video, I am going to explain you how to update SBI FASTag mobile number. Okay. So if your registered mobile number has changed, you can request an update by sending a signed request letter along with the required supporting documents to the SBI FASTag support team. Okay. I will guide you complete step by step. First thing is required details. Please include the following information in your request letter: name of the FASTag holder, then vehicle registration number and existing registered mobile number, then new mobile number, reason for changing the mobile number. Okay, see now what you have to do. Required documents is for that attach clear scanned copies of the following documents: vehicle RC, RC owner identity proof like PAN card and Aadhaar card. Then email address, send your signed request letter and all supporting documents to helpdesk.fastag@sbi.co.in. Okay, so this is the letter format: mobile number change request letter, date, and to SBI FASTag help desk. Subject is request for change of registered mobile number. Dear sir or madam, I request you to update the mobile number registered with my SBI FASTag account. My details are as below: name, vehicle registration number, existing registered mobile number, then new mobile number, reason for mobile number change. I have attached the required documents for verification. Kindly verify my details and update my registered mobile number at the earliest. Thank you for your support. Your faithfully, signature and name. Then documents attached to vehicle RC, RC owner identity proof, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and send your request to helpdesk.fastag@sbi.co.in. Thanks for watching the video. Suppose if you want any support, you can directly call to me on given contact number in the description section. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.